today our lesson is service preparations, and we will see some techniques about the type of napkins in international service. Okay, and we will learn kind of napkins. We will find out what napkins are, and we will learn where napkins are used, and we will learn the benefits of service napkins. Okay.
What do we learn today? We will find out what the napkins are. We will learn where the napkins are used. We will learn kinds of napkins. We will learn the types of napkins according to where they are used. We will learn the benefits of service napkins. Finally, we will do napkin folding exercises.
Napkins are made of cloth or paper that was used during meal service materials. Most used to clean around the mouth, especially during meals. Before drinking something, it is used to prevent the cup from getting oiled or completed by the sweat.
Napkin types of napkins according to their materials. Fabric napkins, as in tablecloth, cotton linen mixture, or cotton terline, mixed fabrics in the fabrics that will be used for making napkins. Besides of absorbency of the liquids, they can be easily cleansed and permanently shaped. Care must be taken to ensure that paper napkins, single or multi-layered napkin made of paper, much more than food table cocktails and middle-class food and beverage business. Paper napkins to clean hand and around the mold. It is used instead of or in combination with fabric napkins to wipe.
Napkin types according to their uses. Fabric napkins take different names depending on the place they use, to them and to people who use it. These are cooking napkins, breakfast and tea napkins, service waiter napkins, tray cup napkins.
Cooking napkins, fabric napkins that guests use at lunch and dinner according to the class of the business and the quality of the service. It is made linen, cotton or terracotta. It has to be features such as absorption, retention, and easy cleanability in food napkins. In addition, fabric napkins used for decorative purpose, easy to take shape. It must also have the feature. The color of the napkins should be completed with the other furnishings of the table covers and the lounge. Business are predominantly white in color, light in color. It is used.
Breakfast and tea napkins. They are cloth napkins that guests use during breakfast and tea hours. The qualities that should be on the bed napkins are also valid for breakfast and tea napkins. Service waiter napkins. They are made of white cotton or linen fabric, which are used by waiters to make their work easy during the service. 60 centimeters napkins. The service waiter napkin can be carried on the cup or hand as folded on the left hand side, hanging around the waist.
Service napkins provide the benefits and place used. It provides a combination of the shirt or jacket arm when empty plates are collected, hot plate keeping, tray styles. It prevents the hands from burning while lifting the service containers. prevent fingerprints from moving, clean plates and the tools, prevents scribing and slippage during transport of food containers, food service wines used in bottle wrap.
Tray of napkins. They are napkins which are used to prevent the sliding of the materials placed on the tray and the commutation of the trays. It also contributes to the velvet appearance of the tray during service.
Now we have some questions. First one, what are the types of napkins according to the material they are made of? Yes.
They are fabric napkins and paper napkins.
Thank you.
Second question, what are the types of napkins according to where they are used? Yes.
They are cooking napkins, breakfast and dinner napkins, service waiter napkins, and tray cup napkins.
What are the benefits of the service napkin? Anyone? Yes.
Prevent fingerprints from moving, clean plants and tools.
It prevents contamination of t-shirt, jackets, and when empty plates are collected.
Yes, thank you. Anyone? Ignore.
Hot plates keeping dry styles. It prevents the heat from burning while locking the service containers.
Thank you. Yes, Dene.
Prevents starch and slippage during transport of food containers.
Okay, thank you. Yes, Besta.
Service for service used in bottle wrap.
Okay, thank you.
And our presentation is finished. Now we have some videos about napkin folding, okay? And we will watch that, and we will do some exercises about them, okay?
Okay.
Fold the napkin in half, making a rectangle. Fold the corners to create a parallelogram. Turn the napkin over lengthwise. Fold up from the bottom onto its side. Pull the top tip down from under. Bring the corners together, tucking one into the other. Open the base of the fold and stand upright.
Hi, today I'm going to show you a very pretty rose fold from your napkin. Lay the napkin face down in front of you. Fold the four corners towards the center. You can use an iron to make the folds perfect. We'll repeat folding in the four corners. Press it down well with your iron. You don't want any of the folds to open out. Then we'll take this and flip it over. Now we folded these four corners towards the center. At this point, you can place something over your napkin just to hold the midpoint. It can be a glass or a bowl. And now we pull this out to form the petals of our rose. Let me show it to you clearly. I will pull out these flaps. You can place it on your plates. You can also place your bowl on top of this, or you can also place your glass on top of this, like so. Our rose is complete, and here we have it. A pretty napkin rose to adorn your dinner table.
The goblet fan. Fold the right side over to the left, smoothing it flat. Make 1.5 inch accordion pleat folds all the way to the top. Fold the hemmed left edges 2 inches over to the center. and set the fold into a wine glass. The goblet fan.